That was Brandy. American Navy.
Ano yung pangalan niya? Gaya ba?
Gaya-gaya eh. Gaya-gaya eh.
Okay, man. Okay, Brandy, tell me, did you see any smugglers? Huh? Did you? No? Good job.
Alright, that's the teamwork. Congratulations. And now, folks, Cecina has come up with a few ideas they would like to share with us on how we can take better care of the environment. So first, Brandy and Simba would like to remind us not to throw our trash in the ocean because that is their home. The river is ugly and it's very dangerous.
Yes, plastic bags can kill. Dolphins, turtles, sea lions, and other marine animals can easily swallow a plastic bag, they choke and die.
Right. Well, fishing lines and pieces of net left in the ocean kill tens of thousands of marine animals every year. Now, this can get wrapped around their neck or flippers and can cause great damage.
Yes. Like this broken flipper.
May picture
That's
ano?
gotta hurt.
Oh, alright, go ahead. Okay, just like what I've said, nets left behind are extremely dangerous. Now, animals like Simba could get entangled on the net just like that. Then Simba, what will happen next? Oh, see? Sadly, she drowns. Poor Simba.
Oh,
But what a fine acting job there. Let's give it up for Simba and Brandy. Now, folks, to be a true conservationist, we always practice this 3R. And the first R is it? There you go. Alright, practicing stuff. So the first R is reduce. You can reduce the amount of trash you make by buying items in larger sizes. Now, friends, did you all know that it takes... Alright, sing stuff. Alright. This takes 4 small bottles like this. This will equal this big one. So you better buy the big one. Second R, Brandy.
Come on, Brandy. Is it here? No? Aha.
So it's reuse. Reuse items like bags, boxes, and bottles whenever you can.
Yes, and here's an excellent tip from Brandy. Canvas bags make great grocery bags, and you can even save on papers and plastic.
Right, and Brandy here would like to remind everyone that you can buy this Lappy bag only here at Ocean Adventure Gift Shop. Alright folks, it's your turn. Do you know what's the third R? Recycle. Okay, let's see. And you're absolutely correct. Now you can recycle materials like aluminum, paper, glass, and even a plastic container like this. Now Simba will show us how.
Simba, plastic container on the ground.
Okay? So she takes it to the nearest recycling center. Good job, Simba. Now friends, as you can see, cleaning up after ourselves is such an easy thing to do. And it helps the environment and nature so much. So if Simba and Brandy can do it, so can we.
Well, excuse me, first. Brandy is trying to get my attention.
And I think Simba as well. Maybe they would like to say something. Okay.
Come on, Brandy.
Picturean mo. Picturean mo.
Alright, Simba, your turn.
Lapit mo.
Alright, now Simba, same thing to do. Smile. Santiago? Wow, very well said.
So guys, do you know what they said? Did you get their message? Oh, maybe you don't understand sea lion language, but don't worry because Jerson does.
Yes, I do. Well, actually, what they said, let's make every day Earth Day. Is that right?
Wow, that's a great idea. So, do you folks agree? Do you folks agree? Well then, let's celebrate with some dancing.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Brandy and Simba.
Umimpit nila.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Simba and Brandy. So, on behalf of Simba, Brandy, and the rest of our sea lions here at Ocean Adventure, we would like to thank everyone for joining us here today. But before we go,